Hello everybody, I'd just like to show you guys this new feature that I found on my Garmin 5CV. I knew it had contour mapping, but I didn't realize that it could record as well. So as you guys can see, everything is green on the screen. That's because it has recorded its own depth chart. So we can go, you know what, let's go to the main screen just for that. Where is it? Okay, there you go. Quickdraw map. As you guys can see, there is portions of the screen that is green and portions that are yellow. So basically, when you go to a new place, it's gonna be all yellow. But the problem with that is you're not gonna know the depth chart. So what you have to do is press this button here with the 3 lines. Go to contour, Quickdraw contours. Then you can go start record. So if I press stop right now, it'll stop, but okay, let's do it right now. Okay, so that's what happens. Then you press start and it starts recording. So as you pass by at a certain speed, you're gonna see that yellow is gonna turn green. Now if you're going too fast or your sounder is somehow being glitchy, it's gonna turn kind of brown red. So let's go show you guys what I mean. Let's go to this portion right here. That is, as you guys can see there, I'm gonna make this right. So that's the boat right there. I'm gonna make it right. See, I never had these numbers before. It's noted that that's 28 feet in depth, and over here is a big question mark. We don't know what that is. So as we pass by, it's gonna update even the green marks of the contours, and then we're gonna see exactly. So we can even do a little zoom in as well. So it's 27 feet. So you see that? When I pass by or when I come close to those unknowns, it's gonna become green, and then it's gonna keep a recording of that history of that depth. And then once you've done the whole map, theoretically you will have the whole depth chart of the whole map. So let's keep going, follow that out. So there, keep straight. So that's gonna turn green there pretty soon. There, boom, done. So I'm going to shut off the engine, and now we've uncovered that whole area now is green, and that means we passed by that whole area and we have recorded the whole depth chart. So right here, so we're in about 27 feet of water, and then we're gonna go back to the main screen where we normally have it on the combo, and you can see 26 feet, and it says right there between almost 25, right there, 25, and oh, there's fish as well. So there it is, 25 feet. So that's a nice little contour option. So press that 3 buttons right there. Go to the change active function. Sorry. Quick draw map, quick draw contours, and press start recording. So there's these other options right here. We can put it on display. You could delete it and start anew, and you can go to settings, and you can do some offsets and change the colors and all that. Okay. So yeah, that's another bonus feature that I didn't realize I had. So that would be a good thing. So basically all the other lakes that I was using it on, I wasn't doing a history, and I just kept following my old lines, thinking that was good, but that doesn't record all the snagging or the little cliffs and whatnot. Anyways, I hope you guys liked that episode.